Do you understand English? You can watch movies. You can follow YouTube videos. You can even read English. But when it's time to speak, you freeze. You forget words. You feel shy. You feel like your brain is empty. If that's you, this video will change everything. Because today, I will explain exactly why you understand English but you can't speak. And more importantly, I will give you a clear step-by-step plan to fix it. Let me tell you something important. Understanding English and speaking English are two different skills. They are not the same. It's like this. You can understand music, but you can't sing like the singer. You can watch football, but you can't play like Messi. Same with English. Understanding is a passive skill. Speaking is an active skill. Passive skills, listening and reading. Active skills, speaking and writing. And here is the truth. Most people spend 90% of their time on passive skills, but they spend only 10% or even 0% on active skills. That's why your English feels stuck. Part 2. Why your brain understands, but your mouth can't speak. Now let's go deep. Reason number 1. You learned English with your eyes, not your mouth. Most people learn English like this. They watch videos, they read, they memorize vocabulary, they learn grammar rules, but they don't practice speaking. So your brain becomes good at understanding, but your mouth has no training. Speaking is not knowledge. Speaking is a muscle, and muscles need training. Reason number 2. You translate in your head. This is the biggest killer. When someone talks to you in English, your brain does this. English enters your ears, your brain translates it to Somali, you think in Somali, you translate back to English, then you try to speak. That process is too slow, so you get stuck and you start to panic. Then your brain says, "Stop, this is dangerous," and you freeze. Reason number 3, you don't have ready sentences. Most learners know vocabulary like important, difficult, improve, practice, confidence. But speaking is not about single words. Speaking is about ready phrases like, "To be honest, the reason is, let me explain. In my opinion, I'm not sure, but..." If you don't have these ready sentences, your brain will search too much, and searching too much equals silence. Reason number 4, fear of mistakes, the confidence problem. Let's be honest, many people don't speak because they fear people will laugh, people will judge, my accent is bad, my grammar is not perfect, I will sound stupid. So you stay quiet. But here is the truth. Silence will never improve your English. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teacher. Reason number 5. You learned grammar too much, but you didn't learn speaking. Grammar is useful, but many learners become grammar prisoners. They want to speak like this. I need to be 100% correct. So before speaking, they think, is this present perfect? Should I use or the? Is it do or does? Is it correct? And while you're thinking, the conversation is gone.
Part 3. The most important truth. Let me tell you a powerful sentence. You don't learn to speak by learning. You learn to speak by speaking. That's it. You can watch 1,000 English videos, but if you never speak, you will still be silent. Part 4. How to fix it, step-by-step plan. Now we go to the solution. This is the part that can change your life. Step 1. Start with daily micro-speaking, 5 minutes. Most people think, I need 1 hour to practice. No, you need consistency. Start with 5 minutes per day. every day, even if you feel stupid, even if you feel shy. Example, talk to yourself like this. Today, I woke up at 7 a.m. I ate breakfast. I want to improve my English. I will practice speaking today. This is not childish. This is training. Step 2. Stop translating. Use English thinking. Here's the trick. When you see something, say it in English immediately. Example, you see a phone. This is my phone. You see water. I'm drinking water. You see a chair. This chair is comfortable. This trains your brain to think in English.
Step 3. Use sentence building instead of vocabulary. Vocabulary alone will not make you fluent. You need sentence patterns. Here are 5 patterns you should practice daily. I want to. I want to improve my English. I want to speak confidently. I need to. I need to practice every day. I need to stop being shy. I'm trying to. I'm trying to speak without fear. I'm trying to think in English. The reason is I don't practice speaking. The reason is fear. In my opinion, speaking daily is the best method. In my opinion, mistakes are normal. Practice these patterns until they become automatic. Step 4. Shadowing method, your best weapon. This is one of the best methods in the world. Shadowing means you listen to a sentence, then you repeat immediately, like an echo. Example, video says, "Today we're going to talk about confidence." You repeat, "Today we're going to talk about confidence." This helps you improve pronunciation, improve speed, improve sentence structure, build fluency. Do it 10 minutes per day. Step 5. Use simple English. Stop trying to sound smart. Many people fail because they try to speak advanced English. They want to say, "I would like to express my opinion regarding." No, start simple. I think. I like. I don't like. I want. I feel. Simple English is powerful. Fluency is not about big words. Fluency is about smooth speaking. Step 6. Speak with yourself using questions. This is a strong trick. Ask yourself questions, then answer. Example. Question. What did I do today? Answer. Today I went to the market. Question. What do I want to learn? Answer. I want to learn English speaking. Question. Why am I learning English? Answer. Because I want a better future. This builds conversation skills. Step 7. Record yourself. This is hard but works fast. Many people avoid recording because they hate their voice, but this is the fastest way to improve. Record 30 seconds per day. Talk about your day, your plans, your goals, your opinions. Then listen. You will notice where you stop, where you hesitate, what words you lack, and you will improve faster. Part 5. What not to do. 16 minutes to 18:30. Now let's talk about mistakes people make. Mistake number 1. Waiting for confidence. Confidence comes after practice, not before. Mistake number 2. Trying to speak perfectly. Perfection kills progress. Mistake number 3. Only watching English videos. Watching helps understanding, not speaking. Mistake number 4. Learning too many words. Better to master 50 sentences than 500 words. Part 6. A simple daily routine. 18:30 to 21:00. Here is a daily routine that works. 5 minutes micro speaking. Talk to yourself. 10 minutes shadowing. 5 minutes sentence patterns. 5 minutes record yourself. Total 25 minutes per day. If you do this for 30 days, your speaking will improve massively. Let me tell you something real. You are not dumb. You are not slow. You are not bad at English. You simply trained the wrong skill. You trained understanding. Now you must train speaking, and you can do it. I want to challenge you. For the next 7 days, every day, say this out loud. I am learning English. I will speak every day. Mistakes are normal. I am improving. Even if you don't believe it, say it. Train your mouth. So now you know the truth. If you understand English but you can't speak, it's not your fault. It's because you didn't train speaking. But today, you have a plan. If you want more videos like this, how to speak English confidently, how to stop translating, daily speaking practice, shadowing lessons, then subscribe and comment below, I will speak English every day. See you in the next video. Bonus, short version for YouTube description. Many people understand English but can't speak because speaking is an active skill. The main reasons are translating in your head, fear of mistakes, lack of sentence patterns, and not practicing speaking daily. In this video, you'll learn a step-by-step routine including micro-speaking, shadowing, sentence building, and recording yourself.